Hello students, till today we have completed lesson number 1.1 an astrologer's day, 1.2 on saying please, 1.3 the cope and the anthem, 1.4 big data big insights and 1.5 the new dress. But in this year 1.5 the new dress lesson is reduced from our syllabus. And in the poetry section we have completed 2.1 Song of the Open Road, 2.2 Indian Weavers, 2.3 The Inchcape Rock and 2.4 Have You Earned Your Tomorrow. So today we are not going to learn the new lesson or the new poem, but in this video we are going to discuss and practice the global understanding and complex factual type questions, which is very important for the board exam and also for the online test. बघा विद्यार्थ्यांनो, प्रत्येक पॅसेज हा 12 मार्काचा आहे आणि त्यामधील ॲक्टिव्हिटी फर्स्ट ही ग्लोबल अंडरस्टँडिंग आहे फॉर 2 मार्क्स आणि ॲक्टिव्हिटी 2 ही कॉम्प्लेक्स फॅक्च्युअल आहे. तर त्यामध्ये क्वेश्चन्स कसे असतात हे आज आपण पाहणार आहोत. ॲक्टिव्हिटी A1 and A2 ग्लोबल अंडरस्टँडिंग अँड कॉम्प्लेक्स factual. Following types of questions are included in activity first and activity second. See, find true and false and correct the false sentences. Complete the web chart, flow chart table. Choose the correct alternatives. Match the information in A and B. Choose 2 sentences that describes the theme and central idea. Rearrange the jumbled sentences. Choose 2 sentences that describe the gist of the extract. Find out the intention of the author from the given sentences. Find out the proof evidence from the extract for the following sentences. Choose the 2 correct or wrong sentences. Students, already we had studied the first lesson, an astrologer's day. So today we are going to discuss the brainstorming activities of the first lesson 1.1 an astrologer's day. See the activity second, third activity. Read the following sentences and choose the correct one. A. The astrologer says that if Nayak leaves his village again, he would. There are 4 options. First, return the money. Second, face danger. Number 3, go back home and stop looking for the man who tried to kill him. And number 4, not find the killer. Second option, face danger. Second option is correct. या ठिकाणी ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर म्हणजे ज्योतिषी गुरु नायकला सांगतो की तू जर हे खेडेगाव सोडलं नाहीस तर तुझ्या जीवाला पुन्हा एकदा भीती आहे, धोका आहे. सेकंड बी, अकॉर्डिंग टू द नरेटर द ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर्स सक्सेस इन हिज प्रोफेशन इज primarily due to number 1 luck, number 2 the bargains he drives, number 3 his appearance and number 4 his understanding of people. The correct answer, his understanding of people. See next, C. The story suggests that the astrologer's comments and observations please people by first, promising them success and good fortune. Number 2, proving as time passes to have been true. Number 3, flattering them or supporting their own views. And number 4, helping them to learn to solve their own problems. The correct answer number 3, flattering them or supporting their own views. Number D, Guru Nanak consults the astrologer because he wants to. Number 1, understand the past. Number 2, find out who the astrologer is. Number 3, make some money through a bet or through a bet. Number 4, get the answer to a specific question. Number 4 is the correct. Get the answer to a specific question. गुरु नायकला त्याचं स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन गुरु नायककडे एक स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन होता आणि त्याचं आन्सर त्याला पाहिजे होते. ई, गुरु नायक इज लुकिंग फॉर द मॅन हू ट्राईड टू किल हिम. नंबर 1, टू टेक रिवेंज. नंबर 2, to get an apology. 3, to demand an explanation. Number 4, to prove that the man was unsuccessful. The correct answer is number 1, to take revenge. त्याला गुरु नायकला त्याचा बदला घ्यायचा होता. F, the astrologer's remark makes Guru Nanak feel all of the following except. Number 1, relieved. Number 2, suspicious. Number 3, impressed. And number 4, disappointed. Number 2, suspicious, the correct answer. G, reactions of the astrologer's wife to his news suggest that she. Number 1, she was unaware of his past. 2, has been worried about his safety. Number 3, has known him since he was young. And number 4, he is concerned about her future with him. Number 1, was unaware of his past. That is the correct answer. ज्योतिषाच्या वाईफची रिॲक्शन कशी असते तर तिला ज्योतिषाच्या पास्ट विषयी भूतकाळाविषयी काहीही माहीत नसतं. शी वॉज अनअवेअर ऑफ हिज पास्ट. नेक्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटी. Activity 2nd. 4th activity. Read the following sentences and find out true and false sentences. Correct the false sentences. A, the astrologer gave a correct prediction to the client about his past, that he was stabbed, thrown into a well and left for a dead. तो ज्योतिषी ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर आपल्या क्लायंटच्या भूतकाळाविषयी करेक्ट प्रेडिक्शन देतो. हा क्लायंट कोण आहे तर गुरु नायक. त्याच्या भूतकाळाविषयी तो करेक्ट प्रेडिक्शन देतो. तो काय म्हणतो? दॅट ही वॉज स्टॅब्ड, थ्रोन इन टू अ वेल अँड लेफ्ट फॉर डेड. तो सांगतो की तुला एकदा सुरा खुपसण्यात आला होता तुझ्या शरीरात, त्यानंतर मग तुला शेताजवळच्या एका विहिरीत ढकलून दिले आणि मरायला सोडून दिले होते. हे करेक्ट प्रेडिक्शन हा ज्योतिषी ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर तो आपल्या क्लायंटला सांगतो. मीन्स धिस इज करेक्ट सेंटेन्स. बी, when the astrologer came to know that the man whom he killed is alive, he felt that he was relieved of his guilt. This is true sentence. When the astrologer came to know, जेव्हा ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरला समजतं की आपण ज्या माणसाला मारलं तो माणूस जिवंत आहे, त्यावेळेस त्याला आपण आपल्या दोषातून मुक्त झालो असे वाटले. दिस इज ट्रू सेंटेन्स. नंबर सी, द ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर ट्राईड टू बॅक आउट ऑफ द डील अँड टॉक्ड अबाउट द क्लायंट्स पास्ट. दिस इज फॉल्स सेंटेन्स. द करेक्ट सेंटेन्स इज the astrologer demanded more money to tell about the client's past. ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर आणि तो क्लायंट गुरु नायक या दोघांमध्ये मनीविषयी म्हणजे किती पैसे द्यायचे, जर करेक्ट सांगितलं तर किती देणार याविषयी चर्चा चालू होती आणि त्या ज्योतिषाने त्याच्याबद्दल जास्त पैसे मागितले. डी, the astrologer rescued himself from Guru Nanak's revenge. This is true sentence. Number E, the moral of the story is that we must be responsible about what we have done and should not run away from our mistakes. This is also a true sentence. Students, I think you have understood the global understanding and complex factual type questions. तर अशा टाईपचे क्वेश्चन्स म्हणजेच कसं तर चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ज किंवा ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स अशा टाईपचे क्वेश्चन्स हे ग्लोबल अंडरस्टँडिंगमध्ये किंवा कॉम्प्लेक्स फॅक्च्युअलसाठी विचारले जाऊ शकतात. स्टुडंट्स, टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ द गिवन आन्सर्स अँड write them in your notebook. Okay, thank you.